Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add effects to your photos on Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the Canva homepage. Click on Upload, then select Upload Files. Upload the photo you want to work with. Next, click on Edit Image. On the right side, you can choose from a variety of effects based on your preferences. Customize the effect settings as needed. Then click Save. You can either choose to save it to Canva or download it directly. And there you have it. Your photo is now enhanced with effects on Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.